Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and have had a good weekend, because this will be going out Monday. It's dinner time and I'm doing pesto spaghetti, which I'll be sort of I'll cook the spaghetti and then I'll cook a layer of mozzarella on top, you know, so it's kind of got that nice creamy yumminess on top, but after I've mixed the pesto. Come and have a look at the ingredients. So there's the spaghetti. That's the spaghetti. 2 onions, which I'm going to fry in the drawer, along with some chorizo. Not the whole lot, just perhaps half. Save the other half for pizzas and freeze them. A jar of green pesto and some mozzarella for the top. Very simple. Oh, God, I've forgotten one of the ingredients. With Lidl, I don't know if anyone has the Lidl app, where you kind of get, you know, they do a month by month thing where you spend a certain amount, they give you either a freebie, like an in-store bakery item. If you reach a certain amount at the end of the month, you get 10% off your next shop. And all that kind of stuff. I find it very good for that. It used to be better before they changed it a few months back. They used to give you £10 off your next shop when you reached £200 in your target, but they've changed the goalpost slightly this time. Yeah, I mean, it's different. So where it was probably very popular. That £10 off was really good. They don't do it anymore, sadly. But I've reached the in-store free bakery item, and the most expensive thing, well, the thing I thought of getting was a full-size baguette, which is 95p, so that's free. And I'm going to cut well to fit the ninja and make my own garlic bread to go with the dinner. It's still in the cupboard, so I'll get that out in a short while I'm prepping everything else. So let's get cooking. So I've got a little bit of olive oil and some garlic puree in there, which I'm going to just preheat before I add the onions and chorizo. Oh yeah, that's what I want to do, just for a few minutes. Okay, all nice and sizzling. Let's get this in. Can I do it one-handed? No, there's no easy way to do this one-handed. Right, I'm going to have to put you down. Bear with. You are, that's all in. Just going to mix it up and then let it cook for 10 minutes before I add the spaghetti. So I've got to get the spaghetti on. And this could always wait until the spaghetti's ready. If it's ready before the spaghetti is. Because once it's ready, really, you're good to go, because you just really add it to hot spaghetti, already cooked. Layer your mozzarella on top, bung it back in, garlic bread in drawer 2, sort of 5 minutes before that, cooking, and then you're ready. So it's relatively quick once you've got the spaghetti cooked. Right, let's get that back in. Get off. I'm just gonna, well, no, what am I gonna do? Add 10 minutes. There you go. See you in a bit. Right, let's check. Oh yeah, that looks great. I won't cook it anymore. I'm gonna wait for the spaghetti to be ready before I mix it all. I'll just get some, oh, you're steaming up, some basil from my basil plant. I bought it from Lidl for 59p and then repotted it, and as long as you don't overpick it, it will carry on growing for ages. Especially in the summer months, you can put it in your garden if you have one, or a big pot on your windowsill, and it will grow. So yeah, I'm going to let that wait. And oh, there's the garlic bread. I've buttered it with butter and garlic, and I actually put that in drawer 2. But you know, I did what you get on the old supermarket ones where you cut, but you don't quite go through the end. So yeah, that's going in there. Let's just check the spaghetti. I add a bit of salt to my water because it makes the spaghetti taste a bit nicer. That's what I like to do anyway. Right, I'll be back in a tick. Well, I'm going to turn the what do you call it, garlic bread on. So say 10 minutes should do it, I think. We'll see, we'll keep a check. Right, see you in a bit. Whoops, I got sidetracked. I think that's a little bit well cooked. Oh well, we'll still eat it, but just don't get sidetracked. I turned it up to 240 and then I got sidetracked. It's still built, I think it'll be fine. Look, the other side looks alright, so yeah. Right, spaghetti's nearly ready. I'm gonna get it out, drain it, and then mix in the green pesto. See you in a bit. Right, it's a bit steamy, and let's get this pesto on before this spaghetti sticks together. Right, yep, let's, I don't know how long it should be, but I'm going to check so I don't burn it. Like I've, oh dear. It might be, yeah, it might be okay, it might be okay. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right, oh, yum. Right, I'm going to serve up, or plate up rather, and we'll be back for a taste test. Ooh, that nearly fell out. Right, yes, that's going to come out onto the plates. See you in a bit. Right, 4 meals. What would you call it? Pesto spaghetti with mozzarella, I suppose, in the air fryer. cooked though to start with. That's essential. I would never put uncooked pasta back in the Ninja. In one of my very early videos I did, and it was it wasn't a disaster. It just took ages to cook, so quite a bit of a nightmare really. Right, I'm going to give the boys, give the family theirs, and then come back for a taste test. See you in a bit. I think the garlic bread needs work. Has anyone made garlic bread in the Ninja? Baguettes, you know, that kind of thing. How's it been? Let me know, because I'd like to master that, especially when I get the free baguette once a month. That's a really nice way of doing that. I love pesto. This is nice. I'm looking forward to this. Right, and having fresh basil in as well, running through it, really nice. Bear with. That's lovely. Oh, I love that. I love the red onion and the chorizo running through it. Oh, delicious. And the melted mozzarella on top. So lovely. Just try and catch some chorizo. It's not elegant eating spaghetti. Yeah. I must add some pepper. Oh, I've got to add pepper. Love pepper. That's really lovely. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy my meal. It's one of our family favourites, this one. Oh, I haven't tried the garlic bread. Oh, what a wally. I mean, it's not perfect, but let's see what it tastes like. I hope it tastes nice. Oh, that tastes like garlic bread, like you'd get in the frozen, you know, the frozen aisle. It doesn't look great, you know, in comparison. I think it's slightly too much, excuse me, on the outside, but it tastes nice. Right, I'm going to go and eat it. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you've had a good weekend. Is this going out Monday? Yes, it is. Yeah, and have a good week. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.